Good evening, everyone. I'm Susie Garrett. Tyler's off tonight. More positive momentum on Wall Street today. The S&P 500 closed at another record high, and the major stock averages ended higher for the third consecutive week. Now, two tech companies were the talk of the trading day. Amazon surged 10%, and shares of Microsoft shot up 6%. It was the biggest gainer in the Dow index. Investors bought up those stocks, reacting to their quarterly results that came out late yesterday that we told you about. Here's a look at today's closing numbers. The Dow rose 61 points. The Nasdaq added 14, closing at a 13-year high. And the S&P tacked on 7, closing at that new record, 1,759. So with the S&P at a new record and the Nasdaq closing in on 4,000, it may be getting tougher to find some real value in the stock market. But as Seema Modi found, there may still be some value plays out there.
It's getting tougher and tougher finding value in this market. But there are a couple of what experts say are deep value plays, beaten down names that are still pumping out earnings. First up, Joy Global, mining and equipment maker, which shares down about 9% this year. Analysts say it's trading at an attractive valuation in comparison to its peers in the industrial sector. Plus, the improving global economy is expected to result in more demand for industrial names. In the retail space, American Eagle down 25% over the past 3 months. Analysts have been cautious on this retailer due to its high promotional environment and low store traffic. That's what her earnings in Q2. Add to that a colder and wetter spring resulting in less demand for its summer wear. Although analysts say the teen retailer could benefit from the upcoming holiday shopping season. Switch focus to tech. IBM. Yes, it's been a tough couple of quarters for Big Blue. That's resulted in a beaten down share price. But income seekers are cheering its dividend yield of 2% and its plans to continue to find new growth opportunities. Within tech, it's a battle between the slow-growing tech names that yield steady earnings growth and new age internet names that are posting strong top-line growth. Skeptics say these high-flying internet names like Facebook and Google are trading at a rich valuation and might be too expensive. While the bulls say if you want growth, this is a place to invest.
I'm the value investor from 1999 that's here in 2013 saying that a good place to make money from a valuation and cash flow perspective is what we've more affectionately referred to as new tech over the last 4 or 5 years.
Whether it be industrials, retail, or tech, if the market continues to move higher, experts say it will be even more difficult to find these deep value plays. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Seema Modi.